Great news, everyone. The data center panic has an expiration date, and in the near future, you will not be hearing all this negativity about data centers. You've heard it everywhere. Data centers are drinking our rivers, burning our grid, kicking the planet so AI can write your emails. And right now, some of that is true. But here's what nobody screaming about it on the news will tell you. Every single thing they're complaining about is already being engineered out of existence. Not in 50 years, not in 20, right now in real time while you're watching this video. Let me show you how fast this is actually moving. In 2024, the average data center used 0.8 of a liter of water for every kilowatt hour. Today, Amazon is running at 0.12. That's 7 times better.
Microsoft, they're not even using water in new builds. 0. They went from thirsty data centers to waterless data centers before most people finished writing their angry op-eds.
Google has committed to putting more water back into communities than it takes out by 2030. That's not a press release. It's already 75% done at Amazon. Now let's talk about the chips. NVIDIA's Blackwell generation, 50 times more AI work per megawatt than the chip that replaced. Their next generation, Vera Rubin, another 10 times better. Do the math. That's 500 times more useful work per unit of electricity in 2 product cycles. 2. And that's the boring stuff. Photonic processors, chips that compute with light instead of electricity, are already running in production. 90 times less power. 90 times with the power grid. Okay, let's talk about the grid. Microsoft signed a deal to buy fusion power. Fusion, the thing physicists have been promising for 60 years, comes online in 2028. They're breaking ground on the plant right now in Washington State. Google is pouring nearly $500 million into enhanced geothermal. Meta just ordered 8 nuclear microreactors from TerraPower. These aren't pitch decks, these are signed contracts with delivery dates. And here's the part that should blow your mind. This is the slow phase. Technology doesn't move in straight lines, it compounds. Every breakthrough makes the next breakthrough faster. In Finland, they're piping the waste heat from supercomputers directly into people's homes. One facility heats 20% of an entire city. The pollution became the product. Here's the thing, everyone screaming about data centers is missing. You are watching a snapshot, a single frame of a movie that is speeding up. Everything is transitional. The people predicting environmental catastrophe are making the same mistake people made about cars in 1905 and computers in 1975. They're taking a temporary engineering problem and projecting it forward as if engineers will just stop innovating, stop competing, stop trying to make things cheaper and cleaner and faster. That's not how this works. That's never how this has worked. The data center of 2035 is going to look nothing like what's making headlines today. So the next time someone tells you AI is going to boil the oceans, just smile and remember,